So, can you get life insurance if you suffer from high blood pressure, also known as hypertension? Well, the good news is yes, you can, but it all depends on a few crucial bits of information which I'll explain. You'll need to know your latest readings, and when I say readings, it's the two numbers that you get, the systolic and the diastolic readings. Now that's the large number and the small number. Most normal readings would probably be around 120 over 80, but those who suffer from hypertension or high blood pressure will often have higher readings. So if you're someone who's been diagnosed with high blood pressure, don't despair, you can get life insurance, but it all depends on what your latest readings are, what medication you're on, and how well controlled it is. Now, the idea is if you've got high blood pressure, you will be managing it, so you should understand what your latest readings are. If you don't, that's kind of fine. You can find out by speaking to your doctor. So with insurance, an insurance company will look at that information. They'll ask you those extra questions, what medication you take, when your last readings were and what those readings were, and from that information they will offer you a premium. Now depending on how high up the scale that is and how well controlled it is, they may well offer a slightly higher premium than someone who doesn't suffer from high blood pressure. The key thing now is to understand which is the best insurance company to go with, because you may start with an insurance company that offers you a low premium, but they might be a company who offer a very high premium once they look at the high blood pressure. So you need to choose the right one. How do you choose the right insurance company? Well, firstly, read our article because we go into detail on which insurance companies will offer what premiums and crucially how much they'll increase it by. But we also recommend the best way to do it is to speak to an independent specialist who actually specialises in just this thing, looking at high blood pressure. So that's it. High blood pressure, not too much of a concern. You can get cover. You just need to make sure you go through the right one. Read our article for full details on how to do that.